You will need to remove the brake pads, green arrows, the caliper, yellow arrows, to change the rotor, red arrow. Please see our article and video on these procedures for additional assistance by following the link provided at the end of this video. With the pads removed and the caliper safely hung out of the way, red arrow, you will be left with a 5mm Allen holding the rotor to the wheel hub, yellow arrow. Note, never let the caliper hang by the brake line. Use a 5mm Allen and remove the single retaining screw. If you live in a four-season area, this screw may be rusted in place and need some penetrating oil and, in severe cases, an impact driver. This screw does not contain any measurable force holding the rotor to the hub. The clamping force is provided by the wheel studs to the hub. The screw is only for locating and holding the rotor in place, so the holes in the rotor and hub line up. Once you remove the Allen bolt, the hub is free and may fall from the rotor, so use care. While the rotor may fall off the hub, there is a much better chance that it will be stuck to it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you do not have the parking brake set. Make sure the parking brake is released, as the inside of the bell of the rotor is where the parking brake makes contact. You may need to give the rotor a few taps with a hammer. Be sure to strike the bell or the hat of the rotor, red arrow, rather than the ends of the disc. Also, again, make sure that the parking brake is off when you are trying to remove the rotor. Before installing the new rotor, make sure to clean around the wheel hub, red arrow, with a wire brush or some sandpaper to give the new rotor a clean and level surface to mount flush to. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.